If we had opened up the doors of our provisions to our servants, they would have gone beyond the measure of haram. They would have do something they shouldn't do. Instead, Allah reveals with his qadr as much as he wants to whomever he pleases. This verse tells us a very interesting reality. Allah gives those whom he loves just enough for them to not go beyond the bounds. Allah is saying, I know how much you're capable of, and if I were to give you everything, then you would go beyond what is permissible for you. This same sentiment is demonstrated in the seerah of the Prophet in a hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari. It is narrated that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was giving a group of people money. One of the companions said, "Why don't give so and so? By Allah, I think he is a good guy." Prophet Muhammad ignored him and he kept giving to other people. The second time, the companion said the same. And the Prophet Muhammad ignored him for a second time. A third time, he ignored him. And then Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, turned to him and said, "Oh so and so, sometimes I give money to people and I don't to those whom I love more. The beloved I don't give to out of a fear that that money will be a temptation that will drag them into hellfire." In other words, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, knows the people. And he is saying, what you are saying about this man might be right, he is a good guy but he doesn't have that type of patience with money. That he might do something that is not appropriate with that money. What we learn from this verse and hadith is that, what we don't have and we tried to get it, but we didn't get it, we should be content that Allah has a plan, that he knows how much he is giving. But Allah reveals with his qadr as much as he pleases to that person. In the end of the same chapter, Allah mentions the same fact, but this time about children. He says, "To Allah belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth, he creates what he wills. He gives to whom he wills female children, and he gives to whom he wills males. Or he makes them both males and females, and he renders whom he wills barren. Indeed, he is knowing and competent." Allah knows who to give what to, and he knows how much to give, he knows who to test people with. One of the main benefits of believing in qadr is that you feel a contentment of the heart. Whatever has happened because of qadr. Qadr is used to calm down and to find release from a calamity. Qadr is not to justify sin. It is used to find peace in whatever Allah has decreed. You didn't get the job, qadarullah, Allah decreed so. You didn't make the million that you were looking to get from the business, Allah decreed so. You didn't have this, you didn't get that, you tried, you may do it to Allah, you didn't get it. Now the point is you have to try. If you didn't try, then that's your problem. You try. If it doesn't happen, that's when we say, qadarullah.